of beautiful people. The best Detroit has to offer.
Here at Soundboard, it isn't just about the music, it isn't about the drinks. We also have local boutiques, fashion that is being showcased here. You can see the lovely ladies that are posing, still modeling tonight for this show. It's all about being local, and we do have a lot of great fashion here in Detroit. You don't have to be in LA or Miami. All you gotta do is come to Soundboard here at Motor City Casino. All right, the minute you walk into Soundboard, you can tell this is a party.
Definitely. Everyone's energized. They're excited for a fun event. I've never been here before. I'm pretty excited myself because it's definitely something like you wouldn't normally see in Detroit.
It really is a gorgeous venue. You kind of feel you're on vacation. Always the case when you come to the casino, and this is all about a celebration.
We're
like celebrating. Yep, exactly. And you see a lot of fashion that's happening here. I think a lot of people really took time to kind of get ready for this big event. Celebration, 1-year anniversary Soundboard, and you got the birthday of David Diza, DJ Rockboy. We love you, Rockboy.
I want to say hello to Detroit. I want to thank everyone for supporting us over the years. I want to thank Preview. I want to thank Matt, SA from Metro Mix and the Free Press. Bill Bornstein, the senior VP of what is it?
Entertainment.
Entertainment.